Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this Dollar Tree craft. So Dollar Tree has these little packages of wood cutouts. They have like owls, butterfly, ladybug, flowers, different stuff. We're just going to decorate them with stick-on gems that you can get at the Dollar Tree as well. And we're going to put them on shish kebab sticks with a hot glue gun. So, cheap, 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 and easy and quick. I have already done a few. So the only real trick I would have to tell you, after I put my beads on, my gems, I got all kinds. These are the really huge ones that I use for the center. Some different shaped beads. Gems. These were already in a flower shape. I just stuck them on like that. But after I have done that, then I put Mod Podge over top, because these are going to be in my flower pots and I don't want the rain to destroy them. So after I put the Mod Podge and let it dry, then I'm going to come back and put the clear Rust-Oleum gloss, whatever kind of gloss spray paint you have, or varnish, regular varnish. Anyway, I added some extra gems, so now I have to Mod Podge this one again. But these are the ones I have done. It turns out I have a lot of purple in my little sitting area by accident, so I'm putting some more purple in there. And then this little ladybug, I'm not real thrilled about it for whatever reason, but look, you could turn it upside down, put this as green, like it's you know, and make it into a tulip. So I think that's what I'm going to do, a purple tulip with this one. So how quick and easy is that? You put the beads on, you put the Mod Podge over top. I'm going to then hot glue them onto my stick and then spray paint them, because then I can just hold the stick and paint them and stick them somewhere to let them dry. Now we've had a lot of rain here and it's still overcast today, but so it's too humid for me to leave them outside. I'm going to go out and spray them, bring them back in, let them dry, and then I'll put them in my plants. But anyway, I thought it was an inexpensive, quick, easy craft, which is what I try to show y'all. So there you go. Have fun with it, and I'd love to see yours when you get through. So have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.